What's up, guys? I'm back with another quick video. This is your girl Jasmine. Welcome to Life with Jazz. Kids and I are outside right now. We're all over the place, but I'm doing another DIY. It's a welcome. It's a welcome sign I'm making, guys. So right now I'm sanding the board down. This is the board. Sanding it down. All right, go to the bathroom. Go potty. Let's go. So painting canvases for the room too. So yeah, I'm about to finish sanding my board down, guys. Let y'all just watch.
Even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehaved. Try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. Don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us.
Guys, so I got this wood stain right here.
Broken.
Focus.
Future.
Okay.
All the
this wood stain is a cone out. I guess it's super dark, so it comes on the way I want it to be. Hope it's this dark. Hope it goes from
and now you damage
this color to this color. So that's my goal.
Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened?
No, you can't touch this.
Hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. instead. Loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry
because it's not as dark like I want it to be. And you still see some lightness in it. I can see
here. 'Cause maybe in time
the sun shining on it. It's like pink and brown. So I'm gonna go through it once or twice. I'm not gonna film that. I'll show you guys when I'm working on the inside. I decided to add some satin clear enamel to it. Rust-O-Lean stops rust. And that's wood. Rust up. So I hope it keeps it good, guys. But look how it looks. I actually did another coat. And it's dark. That's how I like it.
hanging around you.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna wait around. Like I said, I got the bow to do.
I'm so
All the other
sorry
things
if
to
I
finish up.
misbehaved.
I'm gonna go.
In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, don't regret that much. Don't regret that. Sunny side up,
I don't know. The girls
keep
find
it
boys,
cool.
the boys inside.
Bending